Welcome back to Beautyistic. Today we're diving into the SoftSheen-Carson Dark and Lovely Triple Nourished Silkening No-Lye Relaxer with Shea Butter Regular. This product promises a new generation of healthy relaxing by helping to preserve the 5 essential signs of healthy hair: moisture, shine, strength, softness, and body. Specifically designed for fine to regular hair, this relaxer aims to give you straight, sleek, and shiny locks. The kit includes 3 innovative components: the Healthy Gloss 5 Moisture Conditioner, the Healthy Gloss 5 Moisture Hair Creme, and the exclusive Silk Keratin Serum, all formulated to enhance softness and body. SoftSheen-Carson has a rich history of over 110 years, creating products tailored for consumers of African descent, celebrating unique looks and styles through a variety of treatments, colors, and styling products. Now let's talk about my experience using this relaxer. Setting up the application process was straightforward, with clear instructions guiding me every step of the way. The product felt smooth and was easy to apply, allowing me to cover my hair evenly. After application, I noticed an immediate transformation. My hair felt softer and looked shinier, a promising start. Performance-wise, the SoftSheen-Carson relaxer delivered impressive results. It effectively relaxed my hair while preserving moisture, leaving it shiny and manageable. I tried it out in several styling scenarios, from straightening to curling, and it performed exceptionally well, maintaining its sleek appearance throughout the day. Now, let's weigh the pros and cons. On the positive side, the product provides excellent moisture retention, reduces frizz, and enhances shine. However, it's important to note that some users might find the scent a bit strong during application. When compared to other relaxers on the market, the SoftSheen-Carson option stands out due to its unique formulation with Shea Butter and Silk Keratin Serum. While there are cheaper alternatives available that can relax hair, they often lack the nourishing ingredients found in this product, which may lead to less optimal results. In terms of value for money, this relaxer kit is reasonably priced given its high-quality ingredients and effective performance. The build quality of the packaging is also commendable, as it's durable and designed to keep the product safe from spills. User-friendliness is a strong point here, thanks to the clear instructions and intuitive application process. Throughout my experience, I didn't encounter any issues that required customer support, but based on other reviews, it seems that SoftSheen-Carson provides prompt assistance when needed. I tested this relaxer in real-world scenarios, styling my hair for a special event and everyday wear. It held up beautifully, keeping my hair sleek and manageable for hours. While I didn't notice any significant updates affecting the product's performance since my initial use, keeping an eye out for new product variations could be beneficial. In conclusion, I highly recommend the SoftSheen-Carson Dark and Lovely Triple Nourished Silkening No-Lye Relaxer with Shea Butter for anyone seeking a high-quality relaxer that delivers on its promises. This product is best suited for individuals with fine to regular hair looking for effective straightening without sacrificing moisture. If you're enjoying this review, consider liking, subscribing, and hitting that bell icon so we can keep bringing you more fabulous content. Thank you for watching. You can find the link to purchase the SoftSheen-Carson relaxer in the description box below. Feel free to drop any questions you may have or share your thoughts if you've tried it already. Happy styling!